Alright guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you the easy step by step how to add. So you want to add plugin to your website. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you are a newbie or you are just getting started, you don't know how to add plugin to your website or just build your website, and you are looking for ways to add plugins to your WordPress website. Here on this quick video I'm going to show you how to do just that. And you can go to your dashboard, just click here at the top here and you click dashboard. So you want to scroll down here and look for plugins here. So you click that. When you click plugin, this one is gonna show up. You want to go install all plugins. So these are all plugins that have been installed on this website. So if you want to install new plugin, go up here. You see up here, add new plugin. So you want to add new plugin. Let's click that and add new plugin. Okay, this is where we are going to add new plugin. So you can, if you are looking for plugins, you are looking for certain plugin to be installed on your website, and you don't see it right here from the list here, you can just click on this magnify button here and write the name of the plugin here. Let's say I want to download this get back. So let's say I want to download this plugin here. I just write it there. I just type it the name there and install it. Here is the install button here. You click this install button here, and this will install the plugin. So if you want to activate the plugin right away, you can just click activate. Okay, and the plugin has been activated. If you want to set the plugin off, you want to set your plugin up, just go back to your plugin there, go to plugin and install plugins here. All the install plugin will show up, and all the plugin is gonna show up. And when they show up, you just go to settings and you set your plugins when you like, you set it up. So that's how you add plugin to your website. If you guys have any question or anything to say about this video, please let me know down below. Drop all your comment down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.